Study tip number 1. Never study on bed or sofa. Studying in bed will reduce one's focus because most people tend to associate their beds with comfort and sleep. Doing study in bed can lead to a deviation of the brain to become more lazy and possibly fall asleep. It is very important that students, when they are studying, should sit in a proper posture while studying. It is always stated that sitting in a proper posture for the students helps them to concentrate and focus on studies properly. This is why a study table is so important. For students who lack a proper space in their home, they can go for these kind of portable small study tables, which will be very helpful to such students. Study tip number 2. Making different notebooks for different subjects is always a great idea, because it helps us to search the topics very easily without any waste of time. Study tip number 3. Make a list of all the topics, of all the subjects like child development and psychology, maths, reasoning, Hindi, computer, etc., on a paper like this, and keep it always on your study table. This will prevent you from missing out on any important topics. You can also write weightage of the topic according to your exam, like TET, KVS, DSSSB. Study tip number 4. Mock test is a great way to speed up your government job preparation. Lakhs of people appear for competitive exams, but only a few can clear it. One thing that makes these people stand out among the other candidates is mocks. A mock means solving a test for practice, following all the rules of the actual examinations. This helps a lot while appearing for the actual examination. Mock tests are important because of the practice they provide. Practice makes everyone perfect. For competitive exam, revision is key to remembering all that you have studied. Multiple attempt of mock test helps students revise the entire syllabus in the simulated setting of the actual exam. In short, we can say it helps us to find our strengths and weaknesses. Study tip number 5. Wake up early and plan your study for the whole day in the advance. Do not study for long hours. Divide your expected study hours into 3 parts. In the first part, try to study and learn the most difficult subject according to you, because your mind is fully fresh in the morning. It can be child development and psychology for a teaching job aspirant. In the second part of your study hours, try to study the easy subject according to you, because you have already done the difficult task of the day, and now it is the time to focus on other subjects like mathematics or reasoning. In the third part of your study hours, try to do the interesting subject like general studies or practice mock test, because your mind needs something interesting to work efficiently after 2 sessions of study. And last but not the least, don't forget to revise.